Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to do a chart analysis of a coin called Pivx. I want to show you guys my point of view regarding the short term and the long term outlook of Pivx. Now, before I start, I do want to let you guys know that I am in no way a financial advisor. I am actually a former forex trader, and I found the crypto market, and man, I have to tell you, the crypto market is way more exciting than forex. So now I do a little bit of trading in the crypto market. All right, let's get right into it. Here we have Pivx, which I am looking at trading in an exchange called Bittrex. Now here I drew several support and resistance lines, which I did a lot when I was a forex trader. So I picked out really strong support and resistance lines here. The first one here I have at a point at 0.0004. It has 4 points of action at the very beginning there, and then 1, 2, 3, 5, actually 5 points of action. The last two being our current levels right now, and then the levels before that. So that line right there represents a very strong support line. Now, the first level of resistance is actually that diagonal line that I drew. If price can get above that, I am fairly confident that we can reach the next resistance level of 0.0005 BTC. Let's see here. So I've kind of done a calculation. The rectangular boxes represent your risk to reward ratio. So the smaller rectangular box represents your risk, which it's really hard for me to imagine the price going below that rectangle because we are in a very strong support line right now. So price, it's very hard for me to see price below that rectangular box. Now reward I can see as reaching the top of the rectangular box, and I've calculated the ROI, return on investment, once we break through that that trade, and that is a 25% return once we reach the very top of the rectangular box. Now RSI down here is at 38, and a typical RSI for oversold is around 30. So we are in oversold territory, and I am seeing potential for the buy market to come in. MACD is about to cross. We're looking at a MACD cross, so a potential flip in the market from bear to bull. And I do like what I see here. We have in a daily chart two daily candle closes, and we are looking at closing a third one hopefully soon. So I do see a potential bull run here in Pivx. Okay, so once we pass the first level of resistance, our next level of resistance is not until the 0.0009 BTC levels, which represents a 125% ROI, and that is huge. So I do see Pivx as being very undervalued compared to BTC, and it does have a lot of potential in the short term as well as the long term. All these privacy coins are a lot of people do care about their privacy when it comes to blockchain. That's why we have cash sometimes. Like cash can serve privacy, and Pivx as well as Monero are your privacy coins. So in terms of fundamentals and technical analysis, I do see massive short-term potential when it comes to trading Pivx. So yeah, I hope Pivx goes to the moon, and we'll see what happens.